Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be discussing 5 of my favorite Vita shell themes. Coming in at number 5 is called Solarize Aura _Aura. Very nice and clean. I like the little dots and lines. It just kind of speaks my kind of style. Really like it a lot. With the orange and white. So the orange and white, the orange selecting over the folders like that works very well. I think it's very clean, and yeah, it just works very good. Coming in at number 4 is the Electron theme, which was my number 1 theme that worked and matched and works very well with the portable gaming theme, just because they're both blue and they're just very clean style. But there's another theme that I fell in love with. It just has a lot more flair, more style, which we'll take a look at here in just a second. But this one, can't go wrong with this one. You have the icons at the bottom. I like how they have the back mark and the options and open in kind of in their subtle different colors with the little Z line going separating them, along with the select file transfer and start settings at the bottom. And there's a nice little touch of like this circuit board or PCB lining under the time and the battery, so it's a nice little touch there. Super clean blue and white theme there. So yep, number 4, love it. Number 3 is the blue theme. We got dark blue, light blue, teal, or whatever you want to call that color, and white. So we have the square, triangle, circle, and X icons all over in the background. Not too much where you can't, it's not disturbing like looking at your folders or the contents in your folders. So I really like that. The big old Vita shell at the bottom, how the icons at the bottom are separated as well. Very nice, very clean. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is a little quirky, but it works, and that is the Stickman theme. This is a really fun theme and very unique. I haven't used this on any of my recordings yet because I keep forgetting that I have this theme, but it's by far one of my favorites out of like the 20 themes I have. You got the guy trying to grab the battery, the guy reading the book there under the time or the file date and time, and you got the guy trying to steal the Vita shell, the guy trying to align the Vita 2.0 home unsafe mode window. It's a lot of fun. I think it's very unique, and we needed to see more themes like this where these little guys are just coming in trying to take all this stuff out. But yeah, very fun theme. I'm not sure that a lot of you guys know about this one, but yeah, very cool. At number 1, we have my all-time favorite theme, and that is called Atom. Look at that octopus saying hi. Look at that. When you press the main settings, there he is to greet you. Hello, octopus. I like all the stuff that's going on at the bottom. That is what inspired me to create my t-shirt. The t-shirts that I have for sale on my Teespring store, you can check that link in the description if you're interested in picking one up. And yeah, I created that whole logo, that whole thing that's going on there. You got the little atoms going around the border there, on the border of the theme, and you got little molecules going under like the time and the Vita shell 2.02, and the battery icon is also like a little atom or a molecule, whatever that is. So a lot of fun, and it's also clean, super clean. It's like too crazy in your face. So yeah, that is number 1, and those are my favorite themes. So I hope I was able to answer a lot of your questions as to what theme is this, Robles Jr., where can I get this. So all the links to these themes will be in the description down below for you, for your convenience. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Any questions, comment down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscription button. and that notification bell so you don't miss a video like this and many others in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.